Hi, I'm Dr. P.K. Talwar, cosmetic surgeon, New Delhi, and I'm practicing cosmetic surgery for more than 30 years now. Previously, I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. Lip augmentation is a very common procedure, and many times the girls come in the office and they get fillers done, get a good lip shape and go back. Many times patient realizes that this procedure of filler is only temporary procedure. The filler usually lasts from 11 months or you can say once a year. So every year you have to go to the cosmetic surgeon, get a filler done. Can you do something permanent for that? Suppose you want a permanent filling of the lip. Now can you get it done? And if you want to get it done, how to proceed about that? Why I'm asking you this question is because recently I had a young girl. She wanted permanent filling of the lips because she cannot afford to come every year to Delhi to get fillers, and she asked me whether I can do something permanently. So the most common procedure which I am very fond of is I told her that let's go for fat injection. And because the advantage of fat injection is that it is part of your own body. It contains stem cells. So if it contains stem cells, it will rejuvenate your lips because it is from your own body. So there is no chance or no question of any allergic reactions. Only side effect or only limitation is that whatever fat we inject, 25 to 30% may get absorbed. If at all it happens, what to do? Then I told her that she might need a touch-up after 6 to 12 months time. But if she goes for touch-up after 6 to 12 months time, then we can say practically it is permanent, because whatever fat I will inject today, 70 or 75% will survive and it will stay there. And that girl liked the idea, and we did her like fat injection on the lips. I've got a small video clipping also which I am going to show, and her pre and post op photographs, and today only I talked to her and she was very pleased with the result. And that is what I want to tell you also, that if you want something permanent, you want permanent filling of the lips, then fat injection is a better option than filler. That's what I feel. If you want implants, implant is another thing which needs to be done, but because implant is also something which are taking from outside, many patients don't like it. So my preference as an individual surgeon is that body part, if you take any body tissue and inject it, nothing like it, because body is not going to reject that part. So that is why my first choice, now I'm getting more and more involved with fat injection anywhere in the body, whether it is in the breast, the lips, the cheeks, anywhere. So fat injection is something which is very popular all over the world, and it is getting greater acceptance from the patients also. This patient is very happy with the result, and if you think that you would still like to some questions have remained unanswered, or you want to ask some questions, please feel free to ask us. We will be very pleased to answer any of your questions. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you very much.